So, hello everyone to my MATLAB channel. With this video, we will add a noise to a signal in MATLAB and visualize how it affects the signal. So, in your MATLAB program, as always, like you saw previously, or if you are new, uh, we start by adding a new script from the plus button here, or going to this button and click script. My MATLAB version is 2018 and it should be the same for all the other versions, old or new ones. So first of all, the step number one, we are gonna create a clean signal. And it's gonna be a clean sine wave. So this will be our reference signal. We start by typing the time frame like that. We will add a random time frame, and also we will put a frequency, and we will declare our sine signal, sin 2 pi multiplied by the frequency and the time frame. Okay, then we will plot this, sorry, it's like here figure, we will plot it like that. We do the grid on, then we put a title to this figure just to be clean and professional. We put the X label also to identify our work and our figure, and the Y label also is for the amplitude. You can add an amplitude if you want, that's fine, it's gonna work otherwise. We will run this, and to save it, let's save it, video number 3. Okay, save. Sorry, I just need to, like, it's sin, not sine, like that. Sorry again, it's not XY, I don't know what's going on, it's X, and the time frame. Always start with your time frame, like you name it here, then the signal. Okay, it's gonna work. As you can see, this is a clean signal with no disturbances. Okay, like you see, normal sine wave. We close this now. So what I'm going to do right now is that I will generate a random noise. Sorry, the noise represents disturbances that exist in real system. Let's call it X noisy. Okay, then we do our signal plus noise. Okay, bear with me for a moment. So by adding the noise to the signal, we simulate a real world condition. Okay, like that. Let's just copy this plot so that we can see it clearly, and plot the X, let's change this to X noisy. Okay, right, like that. Okay, yes, always like that. And not a clean signal, let's do it so noisy signal. Let's run it. Sorry, this is a plus, not okay, what's going on here? and also this is not, this is like that. Then okay, what's going on here? mm, the noise, I don't I think, oh okay, I forgot to identify our noise. So let's go to the first step and declare our noise signal to generate noise. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Like that, let's just like this. Okay, just like that. Then run it. Okay, so look at this noisy signal. As you can see, it has the form of the sine wave, but it's not clean as the previous one. Yeah, as you can see how the signal is now distorted by the noise. Let's just compare the both of them so that you can see it clearly. In this plot thing, we are gonna also, let's just put this as red, then declare the first signal, obviously, then it's gonna work like that. It doesn't look to you very clear, but when I zoom in, you can see clearly the standard signal and the noisy one. See, just like that. We can change like this. In here we put 0.6 and run it again, and you can see it became more it becomes much harder to observe our function, our signal. So this is it for our video. We just did a simple comparison between how to do a noisy signal and a clean signal. In the next video we will learn how to reduce the noise by using the filtering technique inside MATLAB. So thank you all for watching. I hope you liked the video, and please leave like button and comment what you want me to do, and subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.